Good morning everyone, my name is Ying. Today I'm going to present our STID 3014 database system and information retrieval. This is our group assignment about the HOMESTAY information system and database. My name is Ying, 243109, and then my group member is ZONG 244766 and YOON JINSON 244751. First of all, I'm going to explain the conceptual design of this database. The first entity is the tourist, is one-to-one assigned by the tourist guide. That means one tourist will only assign one to the tourist guide, and then each of the tourists can rent many homestay. So the relation is one to many, and then there are many to many booking for by the tourists and the homestay. So the relationship is many to many. The homestay they can rent by the two type of homestay. First is comfortable guest house, and then the second one is village guest house. It's mandatory all relationship, so the tourists either can choose either one. And then this is the MTD staff entity. It will inspect the homestay one to many with the one to many relationship, and then it will supervise by itself. This is recursive relationship. And then is the inspection relationship, is many to many, so the inspection will be many to many by the homestay and the MTD staff. Now we are going to explain the logical design. Actually, the logical design of database is the transformation of the conceptual design. So the attribute and the entity are still same, just the relationship will going to change a little bit. Like the many to many relationship is not going to represent in the is not going to have in the logical design. So now I'm going to explain how it transform become the logical design. So the tourist entity is still same one-to-one relationship assigned by the tourist guide, and then you can see the homestay entity is not going to be here anymore, so it divided into two entity. The mandatory all relationship need to divided into two entity, as you can see, the village guide house entity and the comfort guide house entity. So the village guide house has the tourist guide with the relationship one to many, and then this is the comfort guest house one to many relationship. And then the booking info are referred to the comfort guest house and also the village guest house. Is the relationship is one to many. And then the inspection, the these two guest house will refer to the inspection, which the one to many relationship, and the MTD staff will conduct by the inspection, and then it will maintain the supervised relationship, the recursive relationship. So one to many relationship here. So other than this is still maintain the one-to-one relationship and one-to-many relationship, just we change the many-to-many relationship and separate the mandatory all relationship, the superclass and subclass relationship, sorry. Then next, I'm going to explain the relational model. The relation model is like the next step is near to the physical step. So this is the entity that we going to present in our system, database system. So the first entity is entity staff, which has the staff ID, position, first name, last name, street, town, postcode, date of birth, and gender. And then the primary key is our staff ID, and the foreign key also the staff ID. And then the second one is the comfortable guest house. The comfortable guest house has the attribute as homestay number, address, rent rate, number of renter, type of rent, telephone number. And then the primary key is the homestay number. The third one is the village guest house. Village guest house has the homestay number, address, rent rate, number of renter, number of room, type of room. And then the primary key is the homestay number. The tourist guide entity has the tourist guide ID, attribute, and then the homestay number, name, gender, position, mobile phone number, home address. The primary key is the tourist guide ID, and the foreign key is the homestay number. It's refer back to the village guest house. Reference is the reference from the village guest house. And then the next one is the tourist. Tourist has the ID number, passport number, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, purpose of visit, nationality, command, street, city, and postcode. The primary key is the ID number. And then the next one is the booking info, which has the booking number, type of homestay, type of room, booking fee, date start, date leaving, type of rent, ID number, homestay number. The primary key is the booking number, ID number, homestay number. The foreign key is the ID number and homestay number. The last one is the inspection. Inspection has the staff ID, homestay number, date of inspection, type of homestay, satisfactory, and comments. And then the primary key is staff ID and homestay number. The foreign key also the staff ID and homestay number. So overall, this is our relational, logical, and conceptual design of our database. So thank you for watching.